Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable participant name announcements when someone joins your Zoom meeting on mobile. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main screen where you can see your upcoming meetings and various options. Now direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. Go ahead and tap on it to access your account settings and preferences. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Zoom experience and manage how your meetings function. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive list of configuration options where you can adjust everything from audio and video preferences to meeting-specific features. The Settings menu is your control center for personalizing how Zoom works for you. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for and tap on Meeting. This section contains all the options related to how your meetings operate, including participant notifications, security settings, and various meeting behaviors. It's an essential area for hosts who want to customize their meeting experience. Now scroll down through the meeting settings until you find the option labeled Show Name when participants join. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to hear an audio announcement whenever someone enters your meeting, making it easier to acknowledge new participants without constantly watching your screen. Once you locate this option, tap the toggle switch right beside it to turn it on. When the toggle is activated, you'll receive an audible notification with the participant's name each time someone joins your meeting. And that's it. You've successfully enabled name announcements for when participants join your Zoom meetings on mobile, making it easier to stay aware of who's entering your sessions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.